playing video games.
Where is your brother?
He is playing video games.
Where is your car?
It is parked outside.
Where is your car?
It is parked outside.
What is this?
This is a pen.
What is this?
This is a pen.
Who are you?
I am Alex.
Who are you?
I am Alex.
Is this a book?
Yes, this is a book.
Is this a book?
Yes, this is a book.
Is that a cat?
Yes, that is a cat.
Is that a cat?
Yes, that is a cat.
Do you like coffee?
No, I prefer tea.
Do you like coffee?
No, I prefer tea.
Where is the park?
The park is nearby.
Where is the park?
The park is nearby.
Are you busy now?
Yes, I'm quite busy.
Are you busy now?
Yes, I'm quite busy.
What's your favorite color?
Blue is my favorite color.
What's your favorite color?
Blue is my favorite color.